Apple Incorporated is expected to shed the proprietary Lightning port and adopt the now universal USB Type-C port. The Apple iPhone 15 series would not only benefit from the change but also gain fast charging capabilities. All the iOS smartphones in the Apple iPhone 15 series, which could include iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max are tipped to feature a USB-C port for charging, data transfer, and attaching wired audio accessories. New reports suggest iPhones could finally be able to compete with Android smartphones in charging speeds. iPhone 15 Pro Max to support 35W, while iPhone 15 Plus will get 27W wired fast charging. A new report, citing industry sources, claims Apple will finally allow fast charging of iOS iPhones. It is not clear if the company will increase the wired charging speed on all 4 iPhone 15 models. However, some reports suggest Apple has embedded 2 different types of fast charging tech in the upcoming iPhone 15 series smartphones. Moreover, it is possible that the iPhone 15 Pro Max would support 35W wired fast charging, while the iPhone 15 Plus could support a slightly slower 27W wired fast charging tech. Incidentally, the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max support 27W wired fast charging, while the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus are limited to 20W wired charging speed. Will 35W wired fast charging negatively impact iPhone batteries? Apple has been rather stingy when it comes to the battery capacities of its iPhone devices. In fact, iOS smartphones typically pack far smaller batteries compared to Android smartphones. However, this pattern has been gradually changing. In fact, the upcoming Apple iPhone 15 series are tipped to pack surprisingly large battery packs. Limiting the charging speeds to 20W or even 27W would mean increasing the charging time it takes to fully recharge an iPhone battery. Hence, increasing the charging speed to 35W seems like a decision born out of necessity rather than novelty. Apple has typically protected iPhone batteries. In fact, the company has been found to reduce the performance of older iPhones to extend and safeguard their batteries. Any fast wired charging tech forces current at a higher voltage, and more amperes, into the batteries. This invariably raises temperatures inside the battery, which negatively impacts lifespan. The majority of smartphone manufacturers vary the charging speed depending on the pre-existing charge and battery temperature. Apple Incorporated will obviously deploy a similar or better technology and safeguards to protect the battery and ensure higher longevity.